Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? And what do we have here? Oh yeah, it's a total Home Depot cable. You can see the loop is way too long, and you can also tell that the end button is ginormous. These are like store-bought cables. They work, but they're not right. And this cable's all loose. Look up. There we go. Broken springtime. We didn't put these doors in. This should have went all the way up to there. Short-changed. AMR. Safety door. We'll fix it. Downers Grove repair. Downers Grove fix broken garage door. Garage door company in Downers Grove to fix your broken overhead garage door. We give you A+ service at Innovative Garage Door. We'll fix all your garage door problems because we have the garage door solutions for you. And we are a first-class company. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Stay warm, because there's that stuff out there now. And we're getting a blizzard in 3 days. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Without you, it don't happen. Put some lights on here. There we go. Now I can see. Awesome. So, that's it. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.